Hello my dears, welcome back to our today's maths class. Today's first activity, Development Fund. The members of the PTA raised some money for the school development fund in 5 groups. The third group got 600 rupees more than the first group and 400 rupees more than the second group. The fifth group got 550 rupees more than the fourth group and the third group got 200 rupees less than the fourth group. The fourth group got 4200 rupees. Find the amount raised by each group. Here, the amount raised by fourth group is directly given in the question. That is 4200 rupees. So, we can find other groups' funds on the basis of fourth group's fund.
Look, the fifth group got 550 rupees more than the fourth group and the third group got 200 rupees less than the fourth group.
Let's find the amount raised by fifth group and third group. Okay, let's find. How much amount was raised by fourth group? 4200. To find out the amount raised by fifth group, just add 4200 and 550. 4200 plus 550. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. And 4 is here. 4750. So, the amount raised by fifth group, 4750 rupees. Next one, third group's fund. The third group got 200 rupees less than the fourth group. How much amount was raised by fourth group? 4200. So, to find out the amount raised by third group, just subtract 200 from 4200. 4200 minus 200, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 4 is here, 4000. So, the amount raised by third group, 4000 rupees. Which group's funds are remaining? First group and second group. Look, here is a clue. The third group got 600 rupees more than the first group. How much amount was raised by third group? Yes, 4000 rupees. To find out the amount raised by first group, just subtract 600 from 4000. 4000 minus 600. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. We can't subtract 6 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from 4 and carry this with the 0 in the hundreds place. So, the 0 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 6, 4. And 3 is here. 3400. So, the amount raised by first group, 3400 rupees. Next, which group's fund is remaining there? Second group. It was already mentioned that the third group got 400 rupees more than the second group. How much amount was raised by third group? 4000 rupees. So, to find out the amount raised by second group, just subtract 400 from 4000. 4000 minus 400. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. We can't subtract 4 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from this 4 and carry this 0 with the hundreds place. Then, this 0 becomes 10 and this 4 becomes 3. Then 10 minus 4, 6. And 3 is here. 3600. So, the amount raised by second group, 3600 rupees. What is the total amount raised by all these groups for the development fund? Students, you have to do this as an exercise in your maths note. Next activity. Find out the sum of consecutive numbers from 1 to 10. How can we find this? Here is a trick to find out the sum of 10 consecutive numbers. Just listen. At first, write the numbers in order from 1 to 10. Let's write. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then find the least number in this series. Which is the least number here? Yes, 1. Then add 4 to the least number. So 1 plus 4 equal 5. Again write 5 on its right side. So 5 becomes 55. So the sum of consecutive numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. There is another example. What about the sum of consecutive numbers from 11 to 20? Write the numbers in order from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Find the least number in this series. Which is the least one? Yes, 11. Then add 4 to the least one. That is 11 plus 4 equal 15. Then write 5 on its right side. So 15 becomes 155. So the sum of consecutive numbers from 11 to 20 is 155. Students, note this point. This trick can be used only to find out the sum of 10 consecutive numbers. Students, again there is an exercise for you to do. Do this in your maths note. Today's class is over. Thank you.